Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix the error code 8 for your Roomba. Now this is a error that your Roomba gives when your vacuum motor is having problems spinning or the filter is actually clogged. Now I'm going to show you the step-by-step ways on how to fix it. Now the first step is to press the bin release button on the back of your robot to remove the bin. Right here. Now from there the bin release tab has a little icon on it. Now from there the second step is to open the bin door to empty the bin. The bin door has been released by this bin icon right there. Now you can actually empty your bin, and from there the third step is to grasp the side of the filter to remove the filter from the left side of the bin, this little area. And from there you shake off any debris inside the filter by tapping it against the trash container or going outside and blowing inside the filter. Now from there you can use the filter back into your bin and slide the bin into the bin slot, securing it into position. Now if you still encounter any errors in this way and your vacuum isn't sucking properly, the bin is designed to be rinsed by hand only. It is not dishwasher safe and should only be cleaned by rinsing with warm water. So don't put it in the dishwasher, only wash it by hand, and don't use any hard cleaners to clean the filter out. Now if you still run into any errors on your Roomba, simply get the help from the Roomba service desk. Now, and if you still get any questions regarding my tutorial, leave them in the comments down below and I'll try to do my very best to help you. If you still get any questions, go for it. I will thank you for watching my video. Leave a like and subscribe, but most importantly, thank you for watching.